Tutorial of Madhubani painting for beginners. Let's get started.
I'm making a simple sketch, whatever I want to make a design. So I'm making a simple design of peacock with a body, feather, face, and that's it. I'm using a simple pencil, 2B pencil and nothing. And please make the design very light, don't make it too much dark. I've used a simple 200 GCP page. Do use that page only. You can use canvas page or cardless sheet also. Here I am using black marker for outlining in Madhubani art. It's really very important to outline your sketch, and that too doubly outline it, because traditionally Madhubani art is doubly outlined, two outlines, and whatever pattern you want you can put on it. You can use any kind of pen, a gel pen, if you don't want your drawing to be permanent. You can use black marker as I am using, or you can use waterproof pen. But it is advisable to use waterproof pens, because after sketching and after using black markers we are going to color it, so we don't want our patterns or design to means to wash off or to get badly ridged off. So for that reason, do use permanent black marker, that is waterproof markers. So I'm adding my all patterns whatever I want to do with my black marker. Once I have finished putting my patterns, I'm going to paint this art. So you can follow this patterns with watercolor directly from brush. You're having a good hands with your brush, so you are free to use brush, or there are pens available for this Madhubani painting. You can use those also, but here as I'm making it for beginners, so I have used a simple black marker, authentically black marker only. You can go with the brushes, like painting the borders and making some patterns, and you can even use gel pen as I mentioned earlier. Whatever with things you are comfortable with, just enjoy it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, because it nothing does but it motivates me, so please. sketching completely by using simple black marker. Now let's start with the painting. Here I am using simple Fabrica poster colors. In Madhubani art you have to use only primary colors such as blue, orange, red, white, black and green. Don't mix colors or don't make it shading because it is an authentic painting. It is painting done from Ramji's Kal. So it is really very authentic, and at that time the colors used to be prepared by using flowers, saffron and kumkum, and also in this painting originally only the authentic color is used. So please keep the authenticity of the painting and use primary colors only. Here I have used all the primary colors such as orange, blue and that too poster colors. Please use watercolors only mainly, and if you want you may also use brush markers, or if you are new beginner you want to practice you can, and you don't have good hand on like watercolors and poster colors, you can also use sketch pens, but authentically you have to use watercolor. Here I am using pink color. All are this the poster colors only. Enjoyed this process. I hope while watching also you're enjoying this, and by doing you will enjoy a lot. It is really very calming, and if you are feeling very stressed and tensioned and something like very stressful, you do this painting, you will really feel really very relief and tension free, and you will feel very good. So please do give it a try. Just take your book, paints, pen and just coloring my whole background of this painting with a green color. If you want you can leave your background, but in Madhubani painting it looks very traditional and authentic when you paint or do something in your background, but your background should be such that it should not match with your design. It should so that your design will look up, it will come up and it will look more beautiful. So here I'm just plain green color. I'm doing green color on my background simply with the poster colors only, Fabrica poster colors. After this I'm giving my painting a border. So in Madhubani painting it is really very important. I know I'm using this very important word again and again, but it is a traditional painting, okay? So we have to follow some that it will look traditional. So I'm using your black color, black poster color, and just backgrounding it, and here I'm giving my flowers outlining so that it will come up more beautiful. So here I'm done with my outlining. Now I'm giving the pattern to the body of that peacock. So you can give any pattern, you can use directly poster colors, but if you don't want to use poster colors or brush and directly you can't use like color, watercolor, so you can go with the markers also, nothing. Here I am giving my background with a leafy pattern. So that the whole peacock or bird will come up more beautifully and it will look like original painting. So completely I'll cover my background with the leaf pattern. With my border, I'm giving a very simple design to my border, and in Madhubani art border designing is really very important. You can put any border design. I have made some border design. If you are interested you can watch in my videos. I will keep the link in my description box. If you want, you can put that border design, or you can put other border designs also. But in Madhubani art, please put the borders designs, or if you don't want to put border designs, you can simply paint the borders, but it will look more beautiful. It will beautify your painting, and it will look more original and authentic. So if possible, do
Like this whole process of painting, please do like, share, comment, and just tell your feedbacks to me.